to help you celebrate 250th birthday of United States. If you are in the States, you probably are going to celebrate 4th of July. So I put together a quick cookie decorating tutorial that you can use to make your own cookies. So we're going to start with 10-second consistency royal icing. I'm adding some white on the top. We're going to swirl it, and then I'm going to dip cookies into this icing. I'm using small hexagonal shapes. These are really great because they are not too big. They're like bite size, maybe two bites, and for some people this may be one bite. And I'm gonna cover it so it doesn't crust while I'm working on a cookie. Usually with this technique, sometimes icing tends to accumulate in the middle, especially with smaller cookies. So you can either kind of bang it on a counter or use your scribe tool and kind of give it a bit of a shake to flatten that out. Also, air bubbles. You might notice some air bubbles. If you're struggling with air bubbles, what you can do before you use the icing for decorating, you can cover it with food wrap or a damp towel, and then let the bubbles rise to the surface, and then you can pop them. Give it about 10-15 minutes. Now we're adding a star. If you make a mistake, I didn't like how this star was looking, so I'm going to scrape that off and I'm going to redip it, and then we can start over. I'm using about 10. Well, actually for this I would recommend 15-second consistency. You have a bit more control. With 10-second, icing is coming out a bit too fast of the piping bag. So let's start with that. We're going to, you can see that the star kind of lost a bit of sharpness, so we can help it with the scribe tool. We can accentuate the points. I'm going to show you another neat technique that you can use to help bring that sharp star shape back. So again, use your scribe tool, very lightly, kind of gently pull the icing out. And then what we can do, we can also go over the edge with our icing. So get the piping bag and go over it like this. And because you're using the same icing as your base and your icing is not crusted, it's going to sink in. And if it's not sinking in right away, you can just help it with the scribe tool. We'll very gently agitate the outline and it's going to sink in. So you're going to make a bunch of these cookies, red and white and blue with a star, and that's how you can make these beautiful platters. You can arrange them on a plate like this, or maybe throw them together like this. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Happy 4th of July!